Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you the new way on how to create an Alibaba seller account. Now I already made a video specifically about how you can create an Alibaba seller account. It's like 9 months ago, so this is an updated video. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can start selling and what you need to know. Okay, so if you can compete with these Chinese because they offer very cheap prices, then this tutorial is really for you. Okay, so a lot of people want to sell very expensive things. It really depends on the price and the quality. If you have like quality products, even if you have like high prices, people are still going to purchase the item from you. Okay, so this is just from my experience. Like Alibaba has like 40 million users each month, which is really huge. Like a lot of people will be able to see your product. Okay, there are a lot of impressions here. Just make sure you have very good products so that people will start to buy from you, like some good reviews, and then Alibaba will start to show your products to more people. Okay, so you just need to scroll down. Okay, at the very bottom inside your Alibaba, just your normal Alibaba, at the very bottom you can see something like sell on alibaba.com. now you just need to click here on start selling. Okay, so when you click guys on start selling, it's going to take you guys to this page. As you can see, how to start selling on Alibaba, ready to go global. Your business can like target new markets, reach customers around the world with an alibaba.com seller account. Here is how to get started. Okay, so this will pop up. What you guys need to do is to add here the company name and the main category for your business. Now for my business, I'm going to add here electrical equipment. As you can see, and the business name here, it should be this, and then click on start now. Now they will ask you guys for other information, the company registered country, so where your business is registered. If it's registered in United States, you just need to select here United States. If it's registered in, for example, in my case Morocco, just select here Morocco, and here the email address and the phone number. Now what you guys need to do is to add here the phone number, okay, and the email address. Why? Because someone is going to call you directly and actually like confirm with you that you really want to start selling on Alibaba, because they like to call and then they will there will be an expert that will ask you some questions. It's very like random questions, not really that much. Just click here on start now. Okay, so when you click on start now, it says here our consultant will contact you and share more details about our plans and features. Okay, so when you click here or learn more, it's going to take you guys to this page here, the Global Seller Academy. It's like you learn many things here, like like many successful businesses, just for inspiration, as you can see. But it's not really that much. It's not that's really like success stories, as you can see, like I said. So what you guys need to do is you just need to wait, and then they will contact you. Okay, and then you will like share with you more details about how you can start selling on Alibaba. Okay, this is the only way guys you can do, is to give them the information, and then they will contact you. I hope guys this one helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, so just let me know in the comments guys what is your question, and I will try to reply to you guys. Please, that would be highly appreciated if you can drop a like on this tutorial. See you guys next tutorial.